I like fixer-upper shows, but more than that, I like fixer-uppers that I buy and sell myself. I've done that a few times, and when you look for a house to fix up, you want to look for the worst house in the best neighborhood. You want it to be distressed and kind of a mess in a great location because distressed properties have the most potential for value. And that got my brain thinking, what if we saw broken people, people who disagree with us, people who are angry, people who just want to fight, bad drivers, are haters, keyboard warriors, outspoken Democrats, outspoken Republicans, litterers, prodigal children, uninvolved parents. What if we saw them like the worst house in the best neighborhood? What if we saw all their potential value instead of their broken down habits? What a find. Oh my gosh, look at this mess. Jackpot with a little TLC. He can be or she can be amazing. I'm going to invest in this mess. Now, I'm not saying that your mom is a broken down house. What I'm saying is, what if we looked for opportunities to add value to the world by loving messy people? You could be a rehab specialist. You could have a people real estate empire. Your portfolio could be loaded with people you got to encourage, restore, love, and add value to. Jesus said it like this, but love your enemies. Do good to them and lend to them without expecting to get anything back. Then your reward will be great and you will be children of the Most High because He is kind to the ungrateful and wicked. Be merciful, just as your Father is merciful. This isn't easy, but it's exactly what Jesus did for us, His enemies.